Guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So quickly look at what happened today. What are the trading opportunities in the market, right? So yesterday market is closed somewhere here, and actually if you see overall the market is in the negative trend, and hope nobody had taken any CE or a PE because a lot of things are not in our control. Like the way today what happened is like US market is the reason why there is a fall here, right? So let's not get into those details, but if you see when the market is closed here, today market opened here, it is try to go up and there is a rejection here. And if you see, this is the first candle, right? This is a high and this is a low. And then if you see entire day, the trading happened the same range, right? We talk about like ORB, open range breakout, right? There are different strategies to talking about that. So once if market opens either on this side or this side, you can consider the trade in the same direction, right? In fact, actually, if you see the first message in the group, unless this low is kind of like market breaks this level, nothing to worry because this is a one more critical level 23,870 level, and good that it didn't break this level. It's like from here we've seen some upside immediately, and then it's a flat market, right? So any option you take, it doesn't matter if you see the market is somewhere here, 23,900 CE or 24,000 PE. Any of this you take, definitely we would have made some loss on this because of this kind of a like no directional move. Only thing is option price keep coming down, and there is nothing you can do about that except like hoping it will go up, right? Okay, hope none of you have taken any trades like that, right? So now quickly look at, okay, so overall, what happens tomorrow? No predictions. Let's wait for the market to open tomorrow, and based on the levels, we will trade. Okay, if you go back and see what happened on the Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty is on the low, so basically, negative trend, same thing as Nifty. But from here, if you see 52 200, straight away it opened somewhere like 800 points and down to 51 200 level. So almost like the 1,000 points down from yesterday's close, right? Close to 1,000 points. And then it tried to go up here. But if you see this, most of the time, overall, this is also kind of in a flat. It's not directional. If you see this one, right, 51 400, the first candle closed at 51 443. In between, we've seen like 300 points up, but the end of the day, it closed again at 51 600. So almost like just 100 points. But from yesterday, if we see, there is a -1% cut in the market. Yes, there is a trading opportunity here. So looking at the Nifty expiry, I didn't post anything on the Bank Nifty. Okay, so yeah, there are no trading opportunities here. Hope, but if you look at overall, right, you look at this level. Ultimately, we want to talk about the level. This one played an important role, and this level 23,991 played another important role. If you see, zoom in and see a little, the market actually first opened here, and then overall it actually closed. The entire trading happened between these two levels. Okay, these are today's levels. These two levels played very important role. Okay, this is a VWAP. This is a monthly VWAP, right? When the trading is anyway is at this level, unless it crosses this level, there is no point in taking a trade on that one expiry day, right? Hope uh, these levels are working for you also. It is actually adding some value. Let me know if you need any support. I know actually this volume related things, I didn't add it here. The reason is basically, these are based on the pivot. How do I get this pivot? Only after certain number of candles. By the time market is actually trading here, then this indication will come as a pivot level, right? That's how the pivots are calculated, right? So some of you actually had given a trial to someone, but I got a feedback that's not really is helping us. So I'm just trying to find out how do we get this displayed properly at an by the time the market moves to the next candle or next candle, I should be getting this information. I'm just trying to work out in a different way. Okay, that's the reason why I'm delaying this one. Okay. Okay, thank you. So probably I'll share one more video, maybe in the morning. which gives them a little more insights. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Please, in case if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to the channel.